So what's up goy, nata karon og kauban nato ang tig-video nato nga si Sael. Ug makita na pud nato ang atong mga kauban diha nga nagpaliki na. Unya karon magsugod na ta. Check if the hardware is connected to an EVR or apps that is connected to our power supply. So put the plug and check the wire and connect to the CPU and to the EVR. So guys, this is the EVR that I turn on. Next, switch on the computer by pushing the button power. Wait for the computer to finish booting up. So mga guys, mo ni akong gipasabot nimo nga iyon kani. And pag humana na kay maluding mo na mo akong gi-fast forward na ang video para madali ni. Unya og makadugay magadako pud og imbi mo nga ato na lang i-fast forward mo na i-choice nato. Nya sa pag samtang na-fast forward nato na isa ka gwapo ni abot si Amasa. Wow. So samtang naghuwat na din og kano sa ma-open nagato pang ubang ka grupo muna pud lang baningamot to tan-awan ng mga na okay pala na sila. Murag ako nagduwa-duwa na lang ulang forma okay ra goy. If ma-open na ang computer, ang una dyan itong button na is to refresh the computer para di dyan na lag inigamit na to. So mo na itong gibuhat karon na sige na itong refresh para kuan. Next is view the computer basic system information. Flash on the screen while booting up. The operating system, processor type, installed RAM, random access memory. To check the PC hardware specs. So how do you check the PC hardware specification? So this is the step. Click the menu and next is click the settings and next is click the system, which is the display information, apps and power. Scroll down and click the about phone. On this screen you can see the hardware specification for your processor type. So this computer is the Windows 10 and the other is you can see the RAM or random access memory and the other system information including Windows version. And the next is found in the lower right corner is the time and date. So this is the time and date is April 2025. So one in a set guys. So ang tapad po dato ni time and date is the volume. So kani kay waman tay speaker mong kanat dita ka kuan sa volume og napoy password mo ibak na nato. And then when you touch the right button of the mouse, makita nato ang display settings. Then sa lower left na search. And then na to na makita ang background settings. And use the mouse to shut down the computer. Close the EVR or apps. And the last one is remove the plug from the wall socket. And that's all.